Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see search online virtual campus drive for mechanical EEE civil 2021 and 22 process placement and organized self from PCET Newton Group from Pune. This is the eligible criteria: BA, BTech, all branches, 2021 and 2022. Business process analyst Pune, 60% through 3.5 LPA to 4.5 LPA. And the job description: train track, shift rotation 4 to 1 AM. Kindly note out 22 positive, they are hiring for a certificate pass with hiring mark sheet for full-time resource. And these are the disclaimers, these are the eligible criteria. They are providing CTC 3.5 to 4. This is what the eligible criteria. Just want to mail, college name and email, candidate name and last name, apply role, business, hometown, state, phone number, 10th, 12th, HSLC, place or not, specialization mechanical civil. And this is what 2020 plus currently going to end July. This is what the big hiring for PCET Newton Group from Pune. Apply as much quickly. The Google form going to end today. This is what the good opportunities for freshers, those who are looking for a good core company. Apply as much quickly. Thanks for watching this channel.